What have we here? Oh, it's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween.
Halloween.
All right, happy Halloween, or almost Halloween. Oh, look, it's Simba. Oh, Simba. Oh, happy Halloween. And we're at the Sarasota Farmers Market. Happy Halloween. Oh, oh, what's that? Oh my. It's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. Shiba Inu don't care. Hey. Yeah, the farmers market's going on still. Happy Halloween. It's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. He is famous for only emerging on or near Halloween of each year, and he goes into hibernation. Happy Halloween. It's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween, and he's rolling through the farmer's market. Happy Halloween. Dogs are very frightened of the Rolling Wizard. Happy Halloween, everyone.
Happy Halloween.
Yes, that's right. It's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. He's rolling along. Here we are. What a day to be a rolling wizard. Rolling around. Whoa ho ho! It's a beautiful day to be rolling with the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. Hello. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Yes, the Rolling Wizard is known for rolling around in his robe. And we're here. Happy Halloween, everyone. Happy Halloween. Hey. Only once a year. Are you happy?
I am happy. I'm happy it's Halloween.
Only once a year does the wizard emerge to roll around. Oh, look at this dog here. Big dog. Oh. All right. Where are you going, wizard? Are you turning down Main Street? Here we are at 5 Points. Where's the wizard going? The wizard's throwing me off. 5 Points, Sarasota. All right, this road's closed, so we're going down here. Woo! It's a beautiful day to be rolling with the wizard down here, downtown Sarasota. Oh, they've got it set up for some sort of a, I don't know, they might probably doing a party, right? Like a Halloween party, I would guess. Probably a big Halloween party going on down here.
Happy Halloween.
Yeah, oh, it smells good down here, like waffle cones or something. I just follow the wizard. That's all I do. I just follow the wizard. He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. Happy Halloween. All right. All the people. Where are you going, wizard? Does this wizard know where he's going? He's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. I don't know about his sense of direction. Oh. Paul Mav. Art galleries down here. It's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. He's here to celebrate Halloween. Oh, yes he does. And look at these dogs. They don't seem to mind too much at all.
year.
Until next year, says the Rolling Wizard. Are you wrapping it up, Wizard? Where are you going? Are you going back into your, where do you live? In a cave? In the woods? Over here by Anna Molinari? Oh. He's rolling along, people. I can barely keep up with this wizard. He can even jump. All right, Wizard. He will see you later. Say goodbye. Until next year. Happy, happy Halloween. Woo! Woo-hoo!